Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Adobe Premiere Pro, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, locate the Adobe Premiere Pro icon on your desktop or in your applications folder. Double-click the icon to launch the application. Once the program opens, you'll be greeted with a welcome screen. If you already have an Adobe ID, click on the Sign In button. Enter your Adobe ID email address in the designated field. After entering your email, click on the Continue button. You will then be prompted to input your password. Type in your password carefully to avoid any errors. Once you've entered your password, click the Sign In button again. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. Follow the instructions in the email sent to you to create a new password. After logging in, you may be asked to verify your sign-in using multi-factor authentication. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. Once verification is complete, you will be directed to the main dashboard of Adobe Premiere Pro. Here, you can start a new project or open an existing one. In some cases, you may need to update your software. If prompted, follow the instructions to install any necessary updates. Once everything is up to date, you are ready to begin editing your video projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.